Are you struggling to stay organized with your content? A content calendar can boost your efficiency and creativity. Let's break down how to create one, step by step. First, define your goals. What do you want to achieve? Next, identify your target audience. Who are you creating for? Now, choose your content types: blogs, videos, and posts. Then, select a frequency. How often will you publish? Create a master list of your ideas. Brainstorm without limits. Use a spreadsheet or app for better organization. Start filling in your calendar with content topics first. Assign specific dates for each piece of content. Then add details: title, format, and who's responsible. Don't forget to include deadlines for drafts and reviews. Incorporate important dates and events relevant for your audience. Review it regularly. Ensure you adjust as needed. Now let's explore an example. Imagine you run a travel blog. Set goals to increase your followers and engagement. Your audience loves tips, itineraries, and travel hacks. Plan a mix of blog posts, social media stories, and videos. Set a weekly schedule: 2 blog posts and 3 social media posts. Fill your calendar with ideas like top 10 beach destinations. You can color code your posts for easy organization. This way, you maintain focus on your goals and deadlines. In summary, a content calendar streamlines your process. Define your goals, know your audience, and pick your formats. Keep it organized and review it regularly. Want to stay on top of your content game? Start building your content calendar today. Subscribe for more tips and tricks.